Holy fuck.
Hey YouTube.
Hey, hello, hi. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that our online store is back up and running. It's restocked with everything, and we finally got around to making some Barry stickers. Barry has been incredible on this build. He's not only a genius with his hands, but he's an absolute character.
Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off.
And he deserves a sticker more than anyone else. I think the sticker's pretty funny. It kind of covers everything that Barry is on these vlogs, and he is incredibly happy that we have made him into a sticker. We also got some beanies made up for the crappy cold weather. We brought him to Sweden. I got ice balls tossed in my face to test him out. I don't know why we did that. We also put some snapbacks back up on the store. It's funny that when Barry first came down, he thought he had about 3 days worth of metalwork to do on the shell, and here we are 26 days into Barry's metalwork. He's done some incredible work on the car. I'd be truly lost without him. Grab something from the shop while it lasts, and hope you enjoy this episode. Goodbye.
Not so exciting footage.
This is fucking deadly.
This is the best around. Evan, where did this tractor come from? New addition to the shed.
The door, man. That's cool.
A quick preview of the John Deere. Fine machine. Inner tie rods, ball joints. Hit it sideways.
Oh. Fucking random. How are you, John?
How are you going?
I'm just under the car.
Dougie tapped out the old ball joint.
I bet her out.
You got out, did you?
Bear her out, lad.
Oh, did I hit the camera? Did.
30 spanner. First time you've ever used it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm waiting to see this, man. 42.
30 fucking 2. Can't get it in. Where's your head?
Hey, this is fucking great.
Yeah. This was over there, and then we put it up on the roof. And the second we put it up here, we actually needed a piece out of it.
Yeah.
For my floor. So we're gonna cut out this piece of the floor. Yeah, it's nice and awkward. Din 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 din.
Really fast.
Yeah, there's my old wheels. Now they're shiny.
One full tin of paint.
Yeah, I didn't really want these wheels anymore, so I donated them to Anto. They look pretty cool on this. With a bit of a mismatched look. Nice. Let's have a look.
I got you your piece, man. The top bit is a big crap.
Hey guys, it's Nicole.
Barry's got himself a new car. He got a Civic Ferio. It came with these incredible Rota center caps and these Rotas. We're a big fan of Rota wheels here in the shed. Yep. Take the anger out on the Rota center cap.
Oh, shit.
This is actually Civic Ferio, so it's basically an SIR Civic 4-door sedan that came with a B16-8. Looks a million times better without those center caps. It actually does.
Yep.
The wheels look like real spoons now. That's what they're a copy of. It's got the UK grille. So the UK ones came with this chrome grille. The Japanese ones, I'm pretty sure, didn't come with that. So it actually just looks like an Irish car with the long license plate as well. Somebody actually drilled an Irish license plate in here, which is a little unfortunate because you can see the Jap recesses there. It's a lovely car. This is a rare enough car in anywhere, I guess, in the world. They did actually come with this spoiler from factory. This is a factory optional piece. Nice. So as you can see here, we're cutting out the last fucking hole in it, which is this. okay. Look at that. It's actually not too bad there
lovely on the
at all. Oh look, more spiders. More spidery fucking... It's literally everywhere.
We'll cut that piece off. Probably, I don't know, maybe there.
Yeah.
Put it on there.
Lovely. Thanks, Dougie. Again.
We'll have mintness will prevail. Added wank factor.
Just like that.
Brown new.
Brand new. Old meets new. And once again, you don't know how satisfying that looks to me to see a hole disappear. This hasn't really been in action for the last couple of months because Reuben broke his drive shaft.
And it was quite difficult to find a corresponding shaft because
This one is not the same as an S13 or an R32 Skyline.
R33 or an R35. Well, this front piece is actually off a HR32. There's an automatic 32, which is why this little joint here went fucking smash. I had to get that replaced and this replaced and balanced, and it's perfect now. Yeah, having major shaft problems. I just cleaned up my whole fucking life here, and Evan put a starlet there. Thanks, Evan. Here's part of the offending
This,
shaft.
yeah.
But anyway, very not me.
It's clean.
Anyway, I spent like 2 weeks doing this, and I got a car out of there, and I was like, ooh, I looked back and I went, oh.
Dougie makes him look bad because he's pretty organised.
Dougie looks shit now.
He does. Even he was impressed. He said that you went actually a level further than him with this box.
So then Evan decided to get a tractor here. Oh, can I put your starlet, my starlet in your area? I said, yeah, no hassle. Which one? And he said, oh, the grey one. And I said, what about your white car, the good car? And he's like, oh, that's down in Flip's shed. I said, why? He said, left a grey car in your area so you can hit it off it. I don't mind if you hit off it because cars aren't safe around me because I would have wrecked his good car. So fuck you, Evan.
What's that?
Yeah,
That's really funny.
PS13.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
This car that Reuben used to own.
He used to drift competitively, but
Yeah.
then gave up drifting because it's turned to shit. Competition drifting, and I don't have 100 grand.
So what's quite amusing is you need centre caps for your Koenigs.
I do.
Because you didn't get any. And Reuben found.
I'm throwing out a set of super rare JDM item Koenig special SSR Koenig center caps.
Yes.
So you can't have them because I'm throwing them out. It gives me so much pleasure to fuck stuff in the bin.
There we go. Look at that. Are we just a useful bunch of friends?
Yeah.
Just seems like
Where do you
seems
find
like we
the-
all have the rarest
Where
bits.
do you find a set of funny say?
Saying
Oh,
yeah,
it's a name.
saying it.
You it's a nan, it's a dum. You like it's a dum. Oh, it is a dum, right? I'm a snitting. I love buses.
Oh yeah. Nice. No more holes. So now we are on to these pieces that you made the other night.
Yep.
Lovely.
Trim back and weld it up and it should be lovely.
Oh. Oh. Wheels are moving again. Finally, after 4 months. Right, so Barry's a tidy bastard. See the way the factory seam does this here? With the new piece that he put in. Same thing. Follows the factory seam.
And then we plugged the original spot welds are
Yeah.
there, and there's a strengthener there and there.
Yeah.
So we did that too.
Look at that. So yeah.
We could start robbing trucks around a bunch of.
Yes, they were cool. Opened the bonnet for a look. Stayed for a service.
Bit of gribble.
So we're pretty close to like
Yeah.
the end of the journey.
Years of misery.
Oh, hey.
Feel the misery just falling out. This misery could be yours for the cheap price of what are these, like 12 grand these days?
Yeah, for 12 grand. This is a bit of a flaw where a lot of shit gathers.
So when you buy your twin cam, you're buying this.
And they all rot here.
All of them.
All of them.
All of them. They're still cool, but just beware. That's all we're saying.
Hey, not too bad, but it's still rusted all the way through.
Yeah.
Ah, yes. See the bit of shite now. All right.
Crusty goodness. There.
That's grand.
Done.
It's finished. We're done here. All right, let's go. Goodbye. Cleaning the car. So, the red paint is epoxy primer, which I'm putting onto bare metal, just like when I got the shell epoxy prime. So there's a bunch of fucking welds in here, and inside here, and up along the roof. We're gonna spray all that raw metal that's in there. Hopefully give it a chance. So I put the fucking stupid white suit on, so I don't get destroyed in red paint. My car is bleeding. What we wanted to do was have this shit leaking out almost pretty much out of where we've welded everywhere, and it is. The car is literally bleeding at the seams. Hi. Hi. We've just pushed Rob's Evo 5 out for a little look. It's not finished yet. It doesn't really have an engine. Hello. She's very fucking nice. First hint of summer there now. Fisheye just exaggerates absolutely everything. Look at that. Looks like a fucking shopping trolley or something with the fisheye. Could almost fool people from behind that it's complete though. It's good. So Rob just picked up these. Nice CE28s. I guess we'll come back to this in a while when there's more progress. Whoa!
Did it actually fall?
Jesus.
I'm sure we start putting the bike together.
It's a big moment here now.
Yeah.
We're all rooting for you.
It's always a big moment when you're tightening wheels.
There was a few Mickeys.
The engine works.
The engine works!
Put out that ramp, somebody.
Alright.
Okay. Now we can count the rings on the ground.
Nice. Happy? Oh, come on, it's grand like.
Are you sure about this?
This fucking. It definitely doesn't keep fire off. Can't lie after you. You had an accident. Stop and ask you.
How are you feeling now?
Oh Jesus, hang on. Oh, there you go.
That hurt. That hurt.